My hands were swelling. I'm a cook for a living and I have 3 children and I was worried so much. I was very, very upset. I was like, why me?
WoahStork is an online cannabis marketplace.
WoahStork is not only a tech platform, but to me, it's an experience.
When you try to shop online for cannabis, it can be difficult to find the product you want.
We've developed a curation process that essentially takes all of the products that are available in these dispensaries that are normally named things like, King Louis XIII X headband, right? It's like, that doesn't necessarily mean anything to anyone. So what we've developed is a series of different algorithms that help translate chemical makeup of what you're about to ingest into something that makes sense.
With a company like this, yes, we are tech-based, but is utilizing this technology to be able to assist people on a medical standpoint, on a personal standpoint, on a human level, is truly the magic that's kind of in the works.
So my son Ryan came with this lotion with CBD cream. Was lotion?
It's a CBD infused lotion.
So my son, he wants, Mom, you're gonna feel better.
I mean, there is obviously a stigma, but I think it's rapidly changing.
It's very rewarding and satisfying to be able to provide people with this experience that I see them struggle with.
WoahStork with Autopilot is a match made in heaven.
Autopilot is an indispensable part of the WoahStork experience. What I really have loved about it so far is that it kind of allows me to very easily take what's in here and put it into action with little to no reliance on technical build-outs.
We want to focus on WoahStork, but to be able to utilize a platform such as Autopilot is truly remarkable.
But after the cream, I say, Ryan, the cream works for me. Thanks to that, 3 fingers.
Just to help her, it feels great.
And if we can help shave off a couple weeks even of people's product discovery process, that's a great step forward for the industry.